Hey, my name is Charlotte. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about Frigidaire cover part number 53045087761. Frigidaire cover part number 53045087761 is a replacement part for Frigidaire refrigerators. It is a cover that fits over the evaporator fan motor in the refrigerator. This part helps to protect the motor from dust and debris, and also helps to keep the refrigerator running efficiently. The cover is made of durable plastic and comes with mounting screws for easy installation. This part is compatible with many Frigidaire models, including side-by-side, top freezer, and bottom freezer refrigerators. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a replacement cover for a Frigidaire refrigerator. It is used to replace a damaged or missing cover. It can help to fix issues such as a broken or missing cover, which can cause the refrigerator to not close properly and lead to temperature issues. Here is how you install this part. 1. Begin by unplugging the refrigerator from the wall outlet. 2. Remove any shelves or drawers that may be in the way of the cover installation. 3. Place the new cover onto the refrigerator, making sure it is properly aligned with all of the mounting holes. 4. Secure the cover to the refrigerator using screws or bolts, depending on what type of fasteners are included with your particular model. 5. Plug the refrigerator back into the wall outlet and test to make sure everything is working properly. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.